Today I'm going to be talking about the history of the New Year's Eve ball drop. New Year's is one of the most celebrated holidays in America. It's a time where family and friends come together and they just celebrate with their own traditions and with their family. And New Year's Eve is usually the most celebrated, like where it's celebrated at the most is New Year's, and an event that was created for New Year's Eve was the New Year's Eve ball drop. Thousands of people gather for this special event to celebrate the new year, and it is also broadcasted on TV for the whole world to see and to share the magical experience for them, like that they can't usually be there physically. It was like how the idea of the ball was like came about was by Adolph Arx, the paper owner of New York Times. How it started was by opening a new headquarters, and it was going to be the second tallest building. So how he wanted to celebrate was by bringing fireworks and setting them on top of the roof. And this happened on December 13th, 1903, and with the 4 years passing of constantly doing fireworks shows for New Year's, he wanted something bigger and better to draw more attention to the new building. So what he did was create the idea of a ball drop, and the very first ball drop was on New Year's Eve on 1907. So the first ball was made of iron, and here's whatever. Yeah, this is the first ball drop, and this was the first ball drop, the ball of 1907. So it was made of iron, it was made of wood, and it also had 125 lights on them, and it had like a 5 feet in diameter, and it weighed about 700 pounds. The builder of the first ball was a young immigrant named Jacob Starr. He was a metal worker, and throughout the whole 20th century, whenever the ball would drop, he was given the responsibility to lower it every year, which was a great honor to do. And throughout the whole years, the ball was renovated in 1920, and it added more lights, and it also weighed 900 pounds. It was full of iron, and it lasted until 1995. And then a third ball was made, making it significantly special because it had LED lights. This one, not that one. Okay, so I'm gonna keep it there. And it had all the add-ons of rhinestones and also a computer lighting system, introducing strobe lights, and the celebration was obviously made more exciting to watch. And then later, right here, for the 100th anniversary, it was designed by Waterford Crystal, and it produced over 16.7 million color lights with also LED lights. But today's ball looks the same, but it has a 12 feet in diameter, and it weighs 11,875 pounds more. Mm-hmm. And it still maintains the original design of the 100th anniversary. And as time passes of the new year, it has also gotten better, like the celebration with confetti, with performances like Mariah Carey, Taylor Swift, and also much more. And this event takes place in New York City, Times Square, once a year. It is also one of the most exciting nights of the year. It's a great celebration filled with partying, fireworks, performances, and the most anticipating part of the countdown of the ball drop. And this event brings people of America together, not to only like enjoy the partying and the fun, but also the new year to come, but to also like celebrate what they also celebrate is like a new chapter in our lives, and to realize how we redesigned ourselves throughout the years, just as the New Year's Eve ball has also been redesigned over the years of its existence in history. Thank you.